Ondrives is a gears and gearbox manufacturing company, but the parts we produce are blanks. We make manufacturing components, gears for aerospace, motorsport, industries that need tightly controlled components. So the first part of it is you turn a raw bit of blank, and that's when the VICIVISION comes into its own, by measuring those parts. The machine we have is the VICIVISION M309. It can measure 90 diameter by 300 long. We started looking at expanding our measurement capability as we were aware of VICIVISION already. I went down for a demonstration, took some parts, and was impressed with what it was able to produce. We want to be able to measure runouts, we want to make chamfers, corner radiuses, and to do that in a format that allows us to have printable reports and saved PDF reports. You want to pick up a clean feature and get a definite radius or chamfer length. And this machine allows us to do that. The actual accuracy of the machine itself, when it's producing the measurements, is great. In fact, it's got a nice couple of features on it where it will go and calibrate itself before it starts a process of measuring. So we're looking for detail, accuracy, to produce the accurate results and the accurate layout that we need for measurement reports. The VICIVISION is a perfect product for that. We have a part on there at the moment. We'll measure some radiuses, we'll measure some line lengths, some diameters. It will then be processed for gear cutting, and then when it gets onto the precision grinding, it returns to the VICIVISION. It's then measuring a tolerance that is a plus or minus 2.5 microns. If you're producing a quantity, you're getting the reports to back that up, to scan and save for customers. It's meeting that the blanks are able to meet that quality and exceed it, and you can't ask for more than that. For optical scanning, a machine like the VICIVISION that we use is a must in our industry. You need this type of equipment to verify the component you're making. You can scan it instantaneously. If it's a component that takes 60 seconds to scan or a minute and a half to scan, it will take, it might be a 20-minute job on a CMM. So if you're doing 400 components and you want to do one out of every 10, or if you want to inspect every one, this is the type of machine you've got to use. Once I'd had the demonstration with the VICIVISION and what it was able, the report layouts it was able to produce, and actually the products, it sold itself really. So it's worth the extra investment buying a machine like this, and also spending the time with the right people to learn how to use it. Because when you do, the benefits you get are immeasurable really. This can measure, but the benefits will be immeasurable to you as a company. A vision machine like the VICIVISION is improving quality all the way along. You've got to invest in measurement machines to get the most out of your product that you're going to make. If you want to be, nowadays in the industry we're in, a first-class company and a quality product company for the future, you've got to be able to invest in this type of technology.